Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are good. Today I'll be showing you the new solo duplication glitch using your motorcycle club. So a few things you'll be needing for this glitch will be the motorcycle club with the custom bike shop. You'll be needing a bunker, an MOC, and the arena workshop. So yeah guys, head over to buy vehicles and you want to go down to the motorcycle, the gargoyle, and you want to get the Future Shock version. This will give you the most money when selling these dupes. So what I did was started off with going to San Andreas Super Autos and filling my motorcycle club with free bikes. There's the option of also going with a fag gear if you don't have the criminal enterprise pack, which is only $5,000. But I would suggest grabbing a free bike as we don't want to spend money while duping. Okay, so once you have filled up your motorcycle club with free bikes, you want to head over to your bunker and request your MOC. Please make sure that it does have the vehicle storage option on it. You want to take your fully upgraded Future Deathstock arena bike and you want to put it in your MOC by pressing right on the D-pad. This will in turn store the bike in your MOC. So what you want to do next is jump into your MOC and you are going to have to drive it to your bunker. The closer you spawn it, the better it'll be, the quicker this whole duplication will be. So yeah, jump in your MOC and take it through to your bunker. You've got to drive this vehicle in. You can go into the bunker and request it in there, it will pop up, but I just went for the option to drive my MOC directly into my bunker. Once you have your MOC in the bunker, you're going to want to head to the back of the trailer. This is where you'll be pulling out the bike. So head to the blue circle behind your back of your MOC and you are going to want to get onto your bike. Once you're on your bike, press RT to accelerate. This will then remove the bike and put it into your bunker. You then want to go ahead and move your bike to near the MOC. So take it around the corner and you will see a pipe on the right. You want to get it between the pipe and the MOC so that when you look left, it gives you the option to press right on the D-pad to enter the MOC. This will then tell you that you have parked your bike in the right spot and you can proceed to press Y and jump off your bike. I suggest not putting your bike too close to the pipe and the wall as it may glitch when you come back. So jump to your bike and exit the bunker on foot. Please note that when exiting this bunker you cannot use a vehicle as it will ruin the duplication glitch. So you want to head out the bunker on foot. I suggest after this requesting a buzzard via your CEO business. You may use a Sparrow or any other vehicle that is not your personal vehicle. You want to then jump into this vehicle and head over to your motorcycle club. So yeah, with this, the closer your motorcycle club is to the bunker, the quicker this duplication will be. So I suggest buying a motorcycle club that is close to the bunker or vice versa, having your bunker close to your motorcycle club. This will then save you time tremendously while doing the glitch. Okay, so you want to jump out your helicopter and enter your motorcycle club. The next steps are pretty simple and they do take little time. First things first, you want to head over to your vortexes or fagos, whichever bikes you decided to fill up your club with. You want to get on any one of the motorcycles. Once on the bike, press right on your D-pad. This will then bring the bike into the custom bike shop. So you want to choose the mod with the cheapest price. I suggest going to plates. As you can see here, you do not need any custom plates, so leave those and change your plate. Once this is done, you want to back out of your custom bike shop. You will then return to all your bikes. At this stage you want to press Y and you want to jump off your bike and exit the motorcycle club on foot. Please note you must be on foot. Once exiting your motorcycle club, you want to jump back into your Sparrow, your Buzzard, whatever vehicle you decided to use that wasn't your personal vehicle, and you want to head through to your bunker. So head through to your bunker. You're going to want to jump out your heli and enter on foot. Once again, guys, please do not use a vehicle when entering the bunker, as this will ruin the duplication glitch. Once in the bunker, you want to head through to your MOC side where your bike was parked next to the wall. Just be aware that sometimes if you park your bike too close to this wall, your bike does glitch and will be in the wall. Then you'll have to find a new session and repeat this process again. So just watch out that your bike isn't too close to that wall. You want to then jump onto your bike, and you will have that option to press right on the D-pad. If this message does not pop up, you have made a mistake and the glitch did not work. So you want to press OK and enter. This will then have duped the vehicle. Your duplication will be in your motorcycle club, and this process you can rinse and repeat. So by rinsing and repeat, you'll jump straight back on the bike, press accelerator, and park the bike next to the wall again, and then exit the bunker. So instead, what I want to show you is how to check if you have done it right. You want to exit the bunker on foot again, and you want to head to the roadside and phone your mechanic. Once you phone your mechanic, you will head down to your clubhouse. So if the Future Shock is there, then you know you've done this glitch correctly, and now your dupe is in your motorcycle club. So yeah, that is your dupe, and you can carry on rinsing and repeating by using the bike that is currently in your MOC. So there you have it. That's it. Quick and easy. I'd suggest grabbing one of your dupes and heading over to Los Santos Customs and just checking to see what your bikes sell for. Mine did sell for 1.4 million, so I'm pretty stoked on that. But yeah, guys, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please do drop a like, comment, and do sub to our channel. If you guys wanting to join our amazing community, check out the Discord link in the description below. Definitely pull through. We do host car meets, we do parkour nights. It's just a bunch of fun with a really amazing community that's always willing to help out. If you need a grind, they're there. So yeah, that's me. Peace out, guys. Catch you guys on the next video. Laka!